How to fix can't send videos to WhatsApp. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial we're gonna see how you can easily fix if you can't send videos on WhatsApp. So the first thing you want to do is simply head over to any chat that you want to send to. Now once you head over to the chat, tap on this clip icon and go to gallery to send videos. Now you can select any video you want from here and try to send it. But if that's not happening, you might want to check your internet connection, because if you don't have a stable enough internet connection, it might be causing an issue with that. So if you're on Wi-Fi, you can try switching over to mobile data. And if you are on data, try switching over to Wi-Fi. Then what you can do next is simply head over to your settings. Once settings is open, scroll down to your app settings. And from your apps, you want to find WhatsApp. Go to the search bar and search for WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp and go to storage. First thing you do is clear cache. Go back and go to permission. Make sure all of these permissions are allowed, especially your photos and videos permission. And then you can go over to force stop the app. If there's going on anything on the background that's causing the issue, it's going to completely stop it and fix the problem. After doing so, you can give a restart to your device, and then you should be able to fix the problem and send videos on WhatsApp. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If so, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.